grade ones, and welcome to another literacy lesson together. Today we're going to pull out some of our reading friends. Now last week we talked about two special friends, which were Lips the fish, that helped remind us to focus on just the first letter of the word, get our lips ready. We also talked about our friend Eagle Eye. Eagle Eye told us to look at the pictures for clues if we're stuck on a word. Now today we're going to learn about another new friend, and to do it we're going to use our same book of poems. We have it here called The Frogs Wore Red Suspenders. This book was written by Jack Perlowski. The pictures were drawn by Petra Mathers. The publisher for this book is HarperCollins, and we get to share this book together thanks to permission from Access Copyright on behalf of the publisher. So thank you to all those people so we can share these great poems together. Now, we are going to read a poem called I Went to the Store. Now, I'm taking a look at the picture, and look at this person. That doesn't look like what happens to me when I go to the store. This looks like it might be a little bit strange. So I have a part of the poem written up here that we get to read together. And to help us, we are going to learn about a new friend today. That friend is here and is called Stretchy Snake. Stretchy Snake helps remind me that if I get stuck on a word, I can stretch it out to help figure out what the word is. Now, what that means is just like Lips the fish, I'm going to say the letter sound, but instead of just focusing on the first letter, Stretchy Snake tells me to do the same thing, but for every letter in the word. So I'm going to put Stretchy Snake up here, and he's going to help us as we read the poem together. Now, if I get stuck on a word, I want you guys to help me at home to use Stretchy Snake to say what the letter sounds are for each of our letters. So let's see our poem, I Went to the Store. I'm stuck already. That's okay, because I have Stretchy Snake. I'm going to touch each letter, and when I do, I'm going to say its sound. So let's try this together. W, E, N, T. Now that I have it all stretched out, I can start hearing the word. Let's try it again. W, E, N, T. The word is went. I went to the store for a pear and a, I need your help, boys and girls. Let's use Stretchy Snake to touch every letter and say what its sound is to figure out this word. P, L, A, M. I can hear that word now. P, L, A, M. Plum. For a pear and a plum. The fruit was all gone, so they sold me a drum. I asked them for, I need some help. I'm going to use Stretchy Snake. M, E, L, K. Let's try it again. M, E, L, K. Milk. I asked them for milk, but they gave me an oar. Let's use Stretchy Snake to help us with this word. It's a long one. I hope you guys can help me out. Never. I'll never go back to that store anymore. Good job, boys and girls, and good job using Stretchy Snake. Stretchy Snake helped me pull apart the word, and if I slow down and look at every letter, I know my letter sounds, so it's easy to stretch it out and say each letter sound one at a time, stretch the word, and I can figure out what it is. Now we're going to do one more read through all together to hear the poem, but I wanted to show you the picture again now that we know what the poem is about. We heard that the person wanted a pear and a plum, but instead he got a drum. He wanted some milk, but instead he got an oar. There it is. It sounds like a silly store. So let's read through one more time for our poem and make sure that you're reading with me. I went to the store for a pear and a plum. The fruit was all gone, so they sold me a drum. I asked them for milk, but they gave me an oar. I'll never go back to that store anymore. Well, now that was a silly poem. I wouldn't want to go to that store either. So now, boys and girls, for your activity, I want you to do some reading on your Epic accounts. Now, this is something that I ask for you to do every day, but since we learned a new reading strategy, Stretchy Snake, I want to challenge you to do maybe 3 or 4 books today. As you're reading, I want you to slow down. If you find a word that you don't know what it is, remember Stretchy Snake. Touch each letter of the word, say what its sound is, and you can start to pull that word apart to hear what it is. So I want you guys to do lots of reading today and try out our new friend, Stretchy Snake. Good job, boys and girls. See you.